Hamilton County is #2 in the state in reaching African Americans with the COVID-19 vaccine, but that ranking does not tell the whole story. Only 13% of those vaccinated in the county are African Americans. That's about 7% of the county's black population. As our Marielle Carbone reports, there is still a lot of work to do when it comes to addressing vaccine equity.
Well, even though Hamilton County is doing well, there still are some pretty big disparities among neighborhoods. Now, specifically, those lower income neighborhoods like Price Hill are some of the lowest vaccinated areas in our community. Every day, the vaccination rate across Hamilton County goes up. Still,
I'm very concerned about the inequity as it relates to getting the vaccine to African Americans.
Looking at the data, it's easy to understand why.
Zip code data clearly shows who's got better access than others, so we need to provide the access.
According to Hamilton County, neighborhoods including Hyde Park, Madeira, and Indian Hill are among the highest vaccinated communities in the county. 25% of the population in those communities is vaccinated. African Americans make up less than 7% of those neighborhoods' population. Meanwhile, Price Hill, Witten Terrace, and Camp Washington are among the lowest vaccinated communities. Between 3 and 6% of people in those areas are vaccinated.
To get into these low-income, minority, and African American communities, we need a mobile program.
That's what the county has done. Tuesday, it took a van to Woodlawn, vaccinating people there. The county is also designating 20% of its vaccine supply for pop-up clinics in neighborhoods where the disparity is the greatest, including Forest Park and Lincoln Heights.
We can do more, but we need more doses to do it.
The county says equity is a top priority, especially as it prepares to open a mass vaccination site. But Reese says the efforts can't stop with just vaccine distribution.
The crisis doesn't end when you get 1 or 2 shots. We still have these disparities.
And the county says even as those mass vaccination sites start to open, outreach is still going to be critical, especially in those neighborhoods where people don't have reliable transportation. Reporting in East Price Hill, I'm Marielle Carbone, WCPO 9 News.